Alright, so right now we found a little creek next to a Burger King that's got some fish in it. Kyle's trying to cast at a catfish, and there's also some carp around. We went into Burger King. They were nice enough to hit us up with some free buns, so thank you, Burger King. And we're gonna see if we can maybe catch a carp on one. Yeah. Yeah. What, Kyle? The big one?
No, the small one.
All right. Kyle, oh, that's a nice catfish. Kyle got the catfish, I think, that we were looking at on the worm.
Yep.
Nice. That's a nice catfish.
I kind of want to get a weight.
All right, we're getting a quick weight on him.
4.
4.5.
Yep.
Minus
4,
the
6,
thing.
4.5.
So about 4.4, 4.5. Oh, jeez.
He's good. He gone.
Here he goes. That's cool.
A little bass over there.
All right, well, we caught it. Was that the same catfish?
I think it was.
I think it was too. I think it had that same scar on it. That's cool. Sight fished for a catfish.
Can you bring the worm?
All right, so we sight fished the catfish. Now I'm gonna try to get myself a carp. Hey, did you catch the same catfish twice? Oh my God, let me land it for you.
No, he's not. This is not.
Oh, it's not the same one. You lucky son of a gun.
Hold this.
I got him. You have your lip grip. Oh gosh. Jeez.
Here, I got it.
They do not like the bread, they like the worms. I don't think that one's as big, is it? It's kind of hard to tell. All right, well, fish number 2 from the little creek, canal, whatever this is. Another catfish. Here. The carp are snubbing us.
Catfish? He was swimming?
Yeah, I saw him. I thought it was just the same one, though.
Nope.
No, it's not. He doesn't have that white blotch. All right. He's out.
No, it is not.
Jeez, Kyle. All right, is it on?
Okay, yep.
That's gonna be right around 4, right?
Nice. Can you not?
What is it?
311.
Yeah, that's about what I would say. All right. All right, well, catfish number 2.
Sick.
It's going, gosh.
Sick.
It's going back.
Can you keep up? There you go. Oh. There he goes.
Not the sickest of releases, but that's pretty cool. That's 2 nice catfishing. Look at this water. You can probably see it. It's only about a foot deep. That's pretty sweet.
That's good.
No way, no way. Oh, that's sick. Right in front of me. Ooh, baby. On the bread right in front of me. Came in right up to me. No more than 5 feet away from me and nailed it. That is sick. All right. Nice carp too. Okay, buddy. Jesus. Oh yeah. Look at that sucker. Holy crap. That is awesome. Oh Jesus. All right, so here's our carp. It's just a carp, but yeah. They're a little feisty. Yep. All right, buddy. There you go, buddy. All right.
You can't own the water.
All right. So
I think we got...
when in back of the Burger King here, I got a carp. I was kind of quiet because there were some people doing, I'm not really sure what, next to me in the woods on the other side of the creek. So I ended up landing like a probably nice mid-high 20s carp. It came down to the water, maybe right in here in front of me, and nailed it. I don't know if you could see because I was kind of in the shade, but that was stinking awesome. It took a run all the way up here to this side of the creek. It's just crazy in about a foot of water. So I think that's gonna about wrap this video up here.
Shout out to our main man.
Yeah, shout out to Burger King over here
Hookup
for some free bread hookups. Got me a pretty nice carp and completely soaked the crap out of me in the process. Yeah. All right. So if you enjoyed the video, check out some of our other ones. We've done a few other catfishing and different species videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.